Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Immich on TrueNAS Scale. So first, prepare TrueNAS Scale environment. So ensure that your TrueNAS Scale system is up to date and the app system is enabled. Then download or add the Immich Docker image. So Immich's official Docker image is available at ghcr.io slash imich-app/imich. So you can deploy the Immich container directly through TrueNAS Scale's app. Then navigate to launch Docker image feature if Immich is not in the official app catalog. Then access the app section. So in TrueNAS Scale dashboard, navigate to apps, choose launch Docker image or available application, then deploy Immich container. So if available, select Immich in the app catalog and click install. If not, choose launch Docker image, input the Immich image URL and configure settings. Then configure persistent storage. So map TrueNAS datasets directories to Immich containers storage paths for media storage, for database storage, and configure network and ports. So expose required ports, default Immich uses 2283 and set appropriate network settings like bridge mode or host network as needed. Then set environment variables if needed for database authentication, etc. Then configure database connectivity. Immich usually uses a PostgreSQL database which you can run as a separate container or an external service. Then launch and access Immich. So start the Immich container, access the Immich web interface at this URL and follow the setup wizard to complete configuration. And for production, consider deploying PostgreSQL separately with persistent storage and use TrueNAS Scale's support to schedule backup for your Immich data. And you can also monitor container logs and resources usage via TrueNAS Scale dashboard. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.